Hi, second graders. This is Mrs. Anderson, and I want to show you how to use the note that I posted in Seesaw that has the two different links for our Zoom meetings in our new distance learning model. So second graders, you can see here that this note has been pinned to the top of your Seesaw page. So no matter who you are, you will have this note pinned to the top. And so what you need to do is you need to click on the note to open it up. And it says, "Hi to Anderson. This is a note for all Zoom meetings. I will not be posting this link every day. Please find it in the folder labeled Zoom links." And also, second graders, remember I just said that it's going to be pinned to the top of your page. We will have two different links. Number one, this link is for whole group teaching. So those times, second graders, where we are with all the other second graders in Brimhall. Okay, so that's whole group reading with Mrs. Halverson at 10:05. It's writing with me at 11:15, and math with Mrs. Corbell at 2:10. Please join a little bit before those times. And here's the meeting link for the whole group time. Okay, now if you keep scrolling down, it says this link, number 2, is for our classroom time. So things like morning meeting at 9:35, workshop time at 10:25 and 2:30, read aloud at 1:10, and other small groups. Okay, and this is that link right here. So do you see how you're going to have to open the note and join using one of these two links? Now, if you use the whole group teaching link at the wrong time and Mrs. Corbell does not let you in, or she removes you from the meeting, then that is a clue that you have used the wrong link. And so if that happens, you need to come and try using the other link. Okay, so this is your note that describes exactly what you need to do each day. Okay, second graders, so we'll see you soon. You're going to use this link for morning meeting at 9:35. Thanks, everyone.